Hey, my little staffies. So I was just telling her that I had a mic. But so anyways. Ooh. Okay, sorry. But so I'm here with my friend Holly, and we're going to be doing a Royale High roleplay here. Let's get on with the video. Hey. Little sis. Hey, little sis. Yeah. Okay. I'll make food. So I'm gonna go make food. This is all I have. Yay! Okay, little sis. Okay, little sis. Me want food. I know. Sit. I'll make you some. Okay. I'll make you some yummy. Okay. Gonna make some hot chocolate.
What are these? What are those? What are they?
Here.
Can you get me one? No, I'm not buying them.
There you go.
No, I won't.
No, you would because it's green slime that's artificial. He's an
Yummy.
adult and he
Thank
won't
you.
even eat it.
I would with.
No, honey.
No problem.
You like yourself. You love your
Are
you don't
you
make yourself sick.
ready to go to bed? Are you ready to go to bed?
Oh, your blueberry bagel?
Okay. No, I don't want to go to bed. Okay? That's fine. We can stay stay up for a little bit. M-O-R-E. Me go in plays. We can stay up for a little bit more. Yay! I'm just gonna try to clean up. Oh no, I got locked in here. Best sissy. Okay. Let's grab out my delicious food. I'm just gonna drink this.
Oh, Brickens likes the box you painted. It's a nice pillow.
Okay, wait, sorry guys, you know what, this was supposed to be a roleplay, but it's really hard to do. So anyways, I'm just gonna continue as like a little video hanging out with this friend. Kind of roleplaying. While we are roleplaying. You having fun? Okay. I know. I know. Let's close all the curtains. I didn't know that you could even do that. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. M-E-O-W-E. Meow. M-E-O-W. Meow. Wee. Let's have some more tea, because I'm addicted to tea. Let me go close more of the curtains, because... Why can't we close these? This is like the main part I would want to close. Why can't I close them? Man, that is a shame. We can't close those in particular. What is Holly doing? Let's go check on her. H-O-L-L. Holly! We need to go bed. No, wait. Bed. We need go bed. We need to go bed. It's time to S-L-E-E-P. It's time to sleep. I conveniently just somehow got changed. Okay. I'm going to quickly have a shower before bed. Oh, I gotta shut off this tap. I left it on all day. Uh-oh. That's not good. Okay. One minute. Luckily, I have this sleeping bag. Let's shut off these lights and leave the lamps on. And let's go to bed. What is that? Let's turn on the light. Holly? Where is she? Oh no. Let's close the rest of these curtains. Holly?
Leonidas?
Holly,
Sometimes people ask me why.
You can S. Okay. Okay. I get that sleeping bag must be pretty uncomfortable. Good night. Tomorrow, let's get a pineapple pizza. I can order one of those. Sounds good. Whew. Guess it's time to get up already. Crazy. We gotta clean this up. This is kinda just annoying. Ugh, I guess I can't. We just gotta wait. Time to open all the curtains. Whoa! I fell. Whew. Let me see. Let's open all of these up. We'll open all the windows. Whew. There we go. Nice. Oh. Holly. Holly. Hi. Want some food? Let's have some food. Want some food? Yes. Yeah, food. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay, where do we... Okay, let me get some fresh tea and stuff. Let me get our kettle out real quickly. Whoop. Ow. I keep hitting myself with that door. It's ridiculous. Holly. Holly. I have to... Okay. I have to buy food. I have to buy food. I'll be right back. I have to buy food. I'll be right back. You need to not make a mess. You need to not make a mess. KK? Okay. Good. Okay, good. Holly, I